Looking for mortar and other refractory products that will stand up to the heat of your fireplace, chimney, bread or pizza oven installations? Want to avoid costly repairs later on? Make sure you ask for HeatStop Refractory Products from CMS Industries Incorporated. HeatStop products were developed by Robert A. Rucker starting in the 1970s. Bob Rucker is highly regarded in the field of refractory mortar and other products used for new construction or the repair of masonry fireplaces, chimneys, and bake ovens. Because of his vast experience, he's frequently called upon by architects, contractors, and do-it-yourselfers to provide advice on code regulations, installation methods, and materials. Several decades ago, Mr. Rucker found that mortars being used for this purpose were not resistant to high temperatures, not resistant to acids, and were water-soluble or all of the above. Armed with technology from the U.S. industrial refractories industry and determined to succeed, he developed and patented a formulation with all of the appropriate characteristics. U.S. and Canadian patents were awarded. Since then, several more products were developed and existing products improved upon. He co-authored the article, Building a Masonry Firebox with Refractory Mortar. He also authored Recommended Practices for Masonry Fireplace and Chimney Construction for the New York State Concrete Masonry Association. Both are important industry publications concerning building codes and refractory mortar standards. All national, regional, and local building codes now specify the use of refractory mortar products when installing fire brick and clay flue lining in masonry fireplaces and chimneys, as well as in masonry bake ovens and fire pits. Not to be confused with non-code compliant mortar mixes, some of which include fire clay, refractory mortar ensures the integrity of the installation at high temperatures. The strength of many mortar mixes, whether fire clay has been added or not, diminishes as temperatures rise, starting as low as 600 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. However, HeatStop brand products resist temperatures well above 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, assuring code compliance and helping to ensure a quality installation or repair. HeatStop products meet or exceed various standards set by ASTM, NFPA 211, IRC, ICBO, and other national codes. HeatStop brand products are available in a variety of formulations: dry mixes, ready-to-use premixes, and castable products. HeatStop 2 and HeatStop 50 are the most popular and economical HeatStop products. These dry mix refractory mortars are made from high-temperature cements and carefully selected aggregates that will not expand or tear the mortar apart when heated. Once dried, these products are non-water soluble and more acid resistant than any other type of product used in these applications. Ideal for clay flue installations as well as fire brick. They can be used inside or outside, can be colored with masonry color, and may be cast into larger sections. HeatStop 2 is available in a 1-gallon pail. HeatStop 50 is provided in a 50-pound bag that yields approximately 60 pounds of refractory mortar. You will need approximately 50 pounds of product to lay up 100 fire brick. Simply add clean water and mix thoroughly. Cold water works best. Warm water quickens set time. Do not remix or retemper HeatStop products as you would with other non-heat resistant mortar. HeatStop 2 and HeatStop 50 dry to a light gray color, just like regular mortar. HeatStop is also available as a convenient, ready-to-use premix. It can be purchased in convenient 1-gallon or 5-gallon pails. When using HeatStop premixed, mix all of the contents in the container thoroughly. If the product still appears dry, add a little clean water and remix it thoroughly. HeatStop premixed should be applied to a maximum thickness of 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch. Thicker joints or humid conditions may lengthen the drying time. HeatStop premix dries to a dark gray color and is shipped in 15-pound and 50-pound plastic pails. For estimating purposes, 50 pounds will lay up approximately 100 fire bricks, 2.5 inches thick, if joint thickness is 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch. Heat Stop Premixed is water soluble and should only be used in interior applications. Do not use on exterior applications or where excessive moisture may be present. Domestic fireplace mortar, also from the makers of Heat Stop, is similar to Heat Stop Premixed, but beige in color. It is water soluble and is available in 1 gallon and 50-pound pails. It should also be mixed thoroughly before using. If it appears dry, add a little clean water and stir it again. Once again, if working with an exterior application or where moisture is present, use Heat Stop 2 or Heat Stop 50. While the Heat Stop 50, Heat Stop 2, and PreMix products are for use as a mortar between fire bricks, there are a variety of castable products from the makers of Heat Stop, used to cast special shapes, for use as a foundation instead of fire bricks in a hearth, or for insulation. HeatCast 40 is designed for casting special shapes for bake or pizza ovens, wood stoves, fireplace hearths and sidewalls, and other high-temperature applications. Available in a 40-pound bag with a density of approximately 125 pounds per cubic foot, HeatCast 40 should be cast with a minimum thickness of 2 inches. For estimating purposes, approximately 20 pounds will cover 1 square foot, 2 inches thick. To use, simply add 3/4 to 1 quart of clean water for each 10 pounds and mix thoroughly. No other additives are required. HeatCast 40 may be cast or troweled into place. Insul-Stick Dry Mix is a castable masonry repair and restoration compound that can be cast, parged, troweled, or sprayed over fire brick in the smoke chamber or for exterior applications. It should be applied 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick, and you will need 2.5 pounds per square foot. Combining insulating value and strength, Insul-Stick meets ASTM E136 requirements for sealing wall penetrations for utility pass-through. It's available in 5 and 20-pound pails. Insul-Cast is a dry mix product that can be used for backup insulation in any masonry application and is ideal for insulating bread and pizza ovens. It can be applied 2 inches thick under the hearth or over the dome in a fire pit or bake oven. Insul-Cast comes in a 50-pound bag. You will need 6 pounds per square foot when applied 2 inches thick. For more information about Heat Stop refractory products, visit our website at heatstoprefractorymortar.com or call us at 716-667-2321. You can find Heat Stop at many building supply stores. You can also conveniently order online by visiting www.mybuildingsupply.store.com.